You know that feeling when you wake up, and your bones sound like an old wooden floor? Or when you reach for something on the top shelf and suddenly, ouch, your back just says, not today. If you've ever wondered why your body feels more fragile every year, you're not alone. Here's the thing, you might be doing everything right, but there's one big mistake many make. For years, we've been told, take calcium for strong bones. So, you take your calcium pills, drink milk, and hope for the best. But what if I told you that taking calcium alone after 60 might be worse than doing nothing? It sounds crazy, but sometimes calcium can even steal minerals from your bones instead of helping them. Welcome, my dear seniors, to your channel Be Healthy Talks. Before we continue, please press the subscribe button and turn the notifications on. So, what's going on? Well, your body isn't just a machine where you dump in calcium and get strong bones. Calcium needs a partner to do its job right. Without that partner, the calcium just floats around your body, causing problems like hardening the arteries, muscle cramps, or even kidney stones. And your bones get nothing. That missing partner? It's magnesium. Think of magnesium as the key that opens the door for calcium to get into your bones. But many seniors don't have enough magnesium. Things like stress, medications, and even your morning coffee can drain it from your body. If you're taking calcium without magnesium, you're wasting your time and your money. Here's how to fix it. Stop taking calcium by itself. Look for supplements that mix calcium and magnesium, ideally in a balanced ratio. But not all magnesium is the same. Avoid cheap forms like magnesium oxide, they don't absorb well. Instead, choose magnesium glycinate or citrate, which your body can use easily. There's another nutrient you need to know about: vitamin K2. This little helper acts like a traffic cop, directing calcium to your bones and teeth, and away from your arteries and joints. Without K2, calcium can end up in the wrong places. You can get it from fermented foods like natto or grass-fed dairy. If you don't eat those, supplement can help. Now, imagine your bones like a brick wall. Calcium is the brick, but magnesium and K2 are the mortar that hold everything together. Without them, the wall falls apart, no matter how many bricks you have. That's why some seniors still break bones even if they take calcium. It's not about more calcium, it's about smarter calcium. But there's something else sneaky in your kitchen that could be hurting your bones. It's a natural thing found in whole grains and legumes called phytic acid. Phytic acid sticks to calcium and other minerals in your gut and flushes them out before your body can absorb them. So even if you eat a lot of calcium-rich foods or take supplements, this acid can keep your body from using it. Don't worry, you don't have to stop eating whole grains. Just try soaking or fermenting them. For example, soak your oats overnight in water with a little lemon juice or apple cider vinegar. This simple trick unlocks the minerals and makes them easier to absorb. Here's another surprise. Salt can also steal calcium from your bones. Not just the salt you sprinkle on your food, but the hidden salt in processed foods, canned soups, and deli meats. Too much salt makes your kidneys flush out calcium, so every salty meal weakens your bones a bit. You don't have to go completely salt-free, but try to keep it under 1,500 milligrams a day. And balance it by eating potassium-rich foods like bananas, sweet potatoes, and spinach. Potassium helps protect your bones from salt damage. Now, let's talk about vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. No matter how much calcium you take, without enough vitamin D, your body can't absorb it well. Think of vitamin D as a delivery truck that carries calcium from your gut into your blood. Without enough vitamin D, calcium just passes right through. Over 70% of seniors don't have enough vitamin D, especially those who live in colder places or stay indoors. Try to get 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight on your face and arms daily, without sunscreen. If that's hard, especially in winter, a vitamin D3 supplement is important. But most over-the-counter doses are too low. Seniors usually need between 2,000 and 5,000 IU a day. Also, take vitamin D with healthy fats like avocado or nuts, because it needs fat to absorb properly. But here's something even more important than what you eat or take as supplements. Your bones need movement. Bones aren't just hard stuff. They're living tissue that gets stronger when stressed. Astronauts lose bone mass in space because there's no gravity. Seniors lose bone faster when they don't move enough. The best thing for your bones isn't pills, it's weight-bearing exercise. Don't worry, you don't have to start lifting heavy weights or running marathons. Any activity where you work against gravity helps. Walking, dancing, climbing stairs, or gentle exercises with bands or light weights all count. Just 20 to 30 minutes a day can make a big difference. Here's something cool. Short bursts of impact, like brisk walking or even lightly jumping in place if your joints allow, create tiny microfractures in your bones. That sounds scary, but it's good. Your body fixes these tiny cracks by making new, stronger bone. If you're worried about balance or pain, try heel drops. Stand tall, lift your heels, then gently drop them back down to create a little vibration in your bones. Doing this regularly helps keep bones strong. Now, if you have arthritis, knee pain, or balance issues, you might wonder how to exercise safely. That's a great question, and it leads to something many doctors don't check for. Your body is always talking to you through aches and stiffness. Those little pains are messages about what's going on inside your bones and joints. One big problem is inflammation. It's like a small fire burning inside you all the time, slowly weakening your bones and causing joint pain. The same inflammation that makes arthritis painful also speeds up bone loss. The good news is you can calm this fire without fancy medicines. Turmeric, the golden spice in your cupboard, contains curcumin, a powerful natural anti-inflammatory. To get the most from turmeric, add a little black pepper. It helps your body absorb curcumin much better. Try adding this mix to your scrambled eggs or smoothie. There's one more simple trick to lower inflammation. Watch when you eat. Eating late and then going straight to bed keeps your body working on digestion instead of repairing your bones and joints. Try to finish dinner at least 3 hours before bedtime. Many people notice their joint stiffness gets better just by doing this. When it comes to bone health, testing is important too. Most doctors only do bone density scans after you've already lost a lot of bone. But there are blood tests that can warn you early about bone loss. Ask your doctor about ionized calcium, parathyroid hormone, and CTX tests. If your doctor won't order them, you can get them through private labs. Here's something else most seniors don't know. Your gut health affects your bones. About 70% of your immune system lives in your gut. When your gut is out of balance, inflammation can run wild. Yogurt is good, but fermented foods like sauerkraut, kefir, or kimchi do even more to help your gut. Start with just a tablespoon a day. Over a few weeks, you may notice better digestion and less joint pain. Let's put this all together into a simple daily routine you can start today. In the morning, take your calcium, magnesium, and K2 supplement with breakfast, along with some healthy fat like avocado or nuts. Do 5 minutes of gentle movement, like heel drops or arm circles, to wake up your bones. Midday, get some sunlight while walking outside. Sun and movement are great for your bones. In the evening, have an anti-inflammatory meal with turmeric and black pepper, and try to finish eating by 6 or 7 p.m. Before bed, do gentle stretches to relax your joints. Remember, your bones are alive. They respond to care at any age. I've seen people in their 80s improve their bone density with these simple steps. It's never too late to start. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which tips are you excited to try? Or maybe you have your bone health tricks. Share your thoughts in the comments. Your story might help someone else. If you found this helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest, science-backed health advice. Thanks for watching.